If you're thinking about using EquityNet, there are 7 key things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're a startup founder or an investor, this platform might seem appealing, but it's important to get the full picture before jumping in. Stick with me till the end because I'll give you a complete rundown of how EquityNet compares to its competitors, the real pros and cons, and how you can make the most of the platform. Plus, I've got an exclusive offer at the end that you won't want to miss. Now, first things first, EquityNet is a crowdfunding platform that targets startups and small businesses. It allows companies to connect with investors who are looking for equity-based opportunities. But what sets it apart from platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo is that EquityNet is focused specifically on equity crowdfunding, meaning investors are actually taking shares in the company. That's a huge difference. If you're looking for straight donations or rewards-based funding, this might not be the platform for you. Next thing you should know is about EquityNet's pricing structure. While the platform offers a ton of features, it's not exactly the cheapest option out there. Unlike some competitors that let you sign up for free or offer lower starting fees, EquityNet's membership can cost you a few $1,000s per year. This might be worth it if you're serious about fundraising, but if you're just getting started or testing the waters, you might want to explore some more budget-friendly options like Seed Invest or WeFunder. The third thing to keep in mind is EquityNet's investor base. This platform has a diverse range of investors, from accredited angels to venture capitalists. However, the quality and activity of these investors can vary. Many users report that finding the right investor can take longer than expected, and some businesses may struggle to attract the right type of funding for their specific needs. That said, if your startup has solid traction and you're in a high-growth industry, you might find success here. The fourth thing is the platform's user interface. EquityNet has a fairly straightforward layout, but it's not as intuitive as some competitors, such as Republic or WeFunder. You might find the learning curve a bit steep, especially if you're not already familiar with equity crowdfunding. The dashboard is packed with tools, but if you're not tech-savvy, it could feel a little overwhelming at first. The fifth thing you should consider is the depth of data and analysis tools that EquityNet offers. This is where the platform shines, especially when compared to others. For founders, you get a lot of detailed insights about potential investors, and investors can track their portfolios with ease. This data-driven approach helps you understand the viability of your project and make more informed decisions. If you're someone who values metrics and hard data, this could be a major plus. Next, let's talk about success rates. While EquityNet claims to have helped many businesses secure funding, its overall success rate isn't as high as some of its direct competitors. Platforms like Seed Invest and Crowdcube tend to have higher success rates, particularly in the early stages. That said, it doesn't mean EquityNet is a bad choice. It just means you might need to be extra strategic about your pitch, networking, and timeline to make sure you're hitting the right notes with investors. And finally, the customer support. EquityNet support is decent but not outstanding. Some users report long response times and limited access to personal support. In contrast, platforms like StartEngine provide more hands-on guidance, especially if you're new to crowdfunding. If you need ongoing help or hands-on coaching throughout your campaign, you might want to consider one of these alternatives. If you're still on the fence about whether EquityNet is right for you, let me tell you this. If you sign up through the first link in the description, you can get the best deal on the product with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. That's a great way to test the platform risk-free and see if it fits your needs. So, if you want to give EquityNet a try and get the best offer, click the first link in the description to get started. You'll get exclusive access to their best deals and a free trial, so you can explore everything the platform has to offer without any commitment. If you've been on the hunt for a way to fund your startup with serious investors, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for.